Hey everybody, how you doing? Today I'm going to talk about hats. Hats and a hair system. Right, so hats and a hair system. Look, they don't love hair systems, okay? I'm going to go straight to when I first went ahead. I had a Formula 3 guy came to see me and I pretty much talked him out of it. This is back in the 90s. Said to him, he wanted to endorse it for me, and I said, look, this is when the systems were a bit thicker and the adhesive we weren't so sure about them, you know, and that kind of stuff, which is all changed now. You know, everybody take me seriously, okay? It's all changed, trust me, alright? You've got to take me seriously when I say that. All the products have been done and they're all skin friendly. Anyway, I used to talk him, I talked him out of it, basically. He's in a car driving a really hard hat and so forth. Now, it's different. You know, I don't talk people out of it. I just say to them, look, you might have 3-4 systems a year and you've got to change your system every week. So we're talking racing hats now, okay? Right, beanies. Here's a beanie. If I was to wear a beanie, it would be a construction worker when you don't have to wear a hard hat. And they're cotton inside. And I'll still put a silk inner in there, okay? A silk inner which protects it, protects the hair. Anything that's got friction on the hair system will not help it, okay? And pretty much, you know, the hats, like these hats, the caps, when you put them on, then you put them on at the back and you stretch it over the hairline and put it down, okay? You've got to take me seriously when I say this, guys. Stretch it over the hairline and then it won't be too bad on the hair system. Anything rubbing on the hairline with this fantastic look will be detrimental to the hair system. Hard hats, generally they're really well made. Construction workers that got to wear them. You just put a silk inner in them, okay? Try not to wear hats as much. Simple as that. If you have to wear a hat, then it will affect the bond because of the heat and so forth. But it's all doable. So basically, it shouldn't put you off. Take me seriously, guys. It shouldn't put you off. But it's where someone might bond for 4 weeks, it goes down to 3, 2, etc. Okay? So anyway, I'll end on this note. Happy Easter. Have a good one.